Here we go. For an epic 3-day trip, I'm super excited because this is the longest trip which I'll be doing on this bike. I think nearly will be clocking around 2000 kilometers. Today we need to cover 650 to 700 kilometers. That's the plan. So guys, plan is one more person is joining, my friend Sriram. I'll be meeting him at Attibele and Hosur toll gate near the border. So he'll reach there by 2:30. Now it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday, and I've started. I think 30 minutes is fine, I can reach there. We have started in proper afternoon. Can't help, we had office work and all to finish. Okay, I reached Attibele toll gate. This is the main toll gate which we exit from Bangalore, and from here a few meters Tamil Nadu will start. This is our first meeting point. We'll see if my friend has come or not. I am exactly on time, 2:29. 2:30 is what we agreed. We'll see if this guy has come. I don't think so he has come. Then we need to wait karna padega. Anyways, I have to sort out couple of things. I'll do that in the meantime. It's super hot, man. Easily it is around 30 degrees. Yeah, 30 degrees. So this is how the bike is looking. Top box, Shad 42. My clothes are all here, tied with couple of bungees. Tank bag which has all the quick access accessories, gloves. I think if we come to front, we'll see. This is my mom did. She did some puja and all. This is how I'm looking. Super hot, man. Super hot. We'll see. Since we both are going, there is no other rider. So we should be able to maintain good distance. I've ridden with Sriram, so he rides very well. We'll see. We can put up a good speed until the sunlight is there. Its time is around 2:30. I'll keep you guys updated. If we see the distance, I'm at Bangalore outskirts. So from here we'll do Kanyakumari. Okay, it is 632 kilometers. It time is 10 hours 26 minutes. We can do it in 8 hours if we keep up a good space. So we'll be taking NH44 only. So that is the plan. Yes, we'll be reaching here to the tip of India last. Today's plan is to do Kanyakumari. Tomorrow we'll take a call. We might do Rameshwaram, etc., etc. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm still waiting for this guy. Where is he? This guy is almost coming. Be out here in any moment. Next to that Bolero pickup truck will come. Or I think he stopped there itself. Yes.
How long? Oh, it came a bit early, I think.
Exactly on dot. I was 2:30 here. You had to refuel and all, no?
Yeah, that's right.
This is fine, huh? There is no crack or anything like that, no?
No.
He overspilled it, huh?
Put it, no. Just now it happened.
Okay. So by the way, this is Sriram's bike, same bike, 390 Adventure. Let's head it. Okay, we are starting now. Time is almost 3 o'clock. Yes, now we are in Tamil Nadu. Why they have stopped all the KSRTC buses here? So there is a check post ahead. They'll check for e-passes and stuff. We'll see for bikes if they check. We have e-pass everything. Me and Sriram previously we had gone to Sakleshpur together. I've ridden with him 2-3 days. He is my travel partner. There was no checking or anything. That's it. Till Kanyakumari we'll be on this highway, NH44. Pretty much excited for this trip. Sriram will be leading most of the time. 100, 110, 120 is what we'll do. So 3 o'clock we have started. From my home I have done 25 kilometers till this meeting point. trip 1 I'll be resetting for every day. Trip 2 is for the total kilometers of this trip. So stay tuned guys, good videos are about to come. Follow me on Instagram with this ID which is coming on the screen. And I hope the audio is good today. Yesterday I did a small ride within my home and I checked for the audio angle, everything. So it should be pretty much good. But we can't say our GoPro always gives us issues. I think from here we are 8 kilometers to Hosur. Until we cross Hosur, traffic will be like this. See? This guy, don't know why is he coming to the left side. Salem straight. So if we take a left here, it will go to Chennai. That's what he was saying. We have done around 81 kilometers till now from my home. Man, how many Saravana Bhavan hotels are there here in this highway? Till now I have at least counted 10 of them. There, see. In 100 meters I saw one Saravana Bhavan, there is one more. And Kanyakumari from that place is 590 kilometers. I read a signboard there. So let's go. It's all straight. Shriram is in full form. It is not too hard since we are riding. Very good scenic roads. See all this green color, all this plants on the divider. I didn't see this part. So much of greenery. Left and right, straight, there are mountains. Nice smooth roads. What more you need? Now and then we'll have some blockers like this. Lot of trucks, man. Lot of trucks. Hit it in the right, man. Hit it in the right. Nice. Okay, there is some check post in place. We don't know if we can go like this. Small check post, huh? I think that is to check the e-passes or something. There were two cops. They are not even stopping cars. Forget about bikes. Third toll for the day. First toll was Attibale. Second was Krishnagiri. Third one is this. This is Salem's toll. You want a break?
Yeah.
You want to have something? Tea or something? Yeah. Salem is around 50 kilometers. We maintained a very good pace. How much we did? 146 kilometers. So our Chotu's tea break is done. I think next stop we'll refuel. Both of the bikes ranges around 150, so that should be fine. Post Salem we can stop. You should have left it there. We are stuck in this cute traffic jam. Very cute. I think this is Toppuru Kanavai. There is one place. I think this is the one, I guess. Left side is full of cars, so we are going in like this. So please don't mind. Salem is around 40 kilometers. Nothing much. Ride is going good. We are maintaining very good pace. That is because only we are two of them. So there is some construction happening on that side. So we are on the right side of the lane. Sometimes this goes off. There is no construction or anything happening on that side, man. I don't know why they have blocked it. Or there should be some accident. This place is known for accidents. If you Google, right? If this is Toppuru Kanavai, then this is like most haunted place. There are a lot of accidents which have happened here. I've seen in many videos.